Morning!
Today is our last full day in Chiang Rai, so to make the most of it we have hired a bike again.
We've come out to find a couple of waterfalls and a few temples that we're going to explore today.
Yeah.
We just come across the first one. It's called Wat Wang Seng.
It's got a huge white painted Buddha outside of it, so you can't miss it as you're driving along the road.
First of all, we're going to go inside and take a look at that.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go on to a place called the White Temple.
Yeah, the architecture is supposed to be beautiful.
But first of all, we're going to look in this temple and then move on to another temple. This is a giant Buddha behind us. One of the Buddha's fingers is the same thickness as my thigh, so that's just a point of reference scale wise. Enormous.
Oh, they're bigger than your thighs.
Unfortunately, the temple is closed, so we can't go in and show you the insides of it, unfortunately. I said unfortunately twice. Unfortunately, the temple's closed, so we can't go inside and show you.
No.
For fuck's sake. Unfortunately, the temple's closed, so we can't show you the insides.
The outside, however, is really beautiful, decorative. Paintings are full of life and colour, so worth coming to have a look just to see the big Buddha itself, really.
Which probably needs a coat of paint.
It's a little bit run down in places, but
Beautiful nonetheless.
yes.
Well worth a visit, and it's free.
Yeah, even better.
Even better. We like free. So the temple we're just at is about 5 kilometres just outside the centre of Chiang Mai. You can't get here by public transport as far as I'm aware, but it is doable on a bicycle.
Yeah, I've seen quite a few people on bikes actually riding around.
So hire a bicycle from...
Too much exercise for my liking, but fit enough to do it.
Hire a bicycle from Chiang Mai Centre for about 40 baht for the day.
From where?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Hire a bicycle from Chiang Rai Centre for about 40 baht for the day and have a pedal out.
Yeah.
We'll check out the opening times. I'm sure it is open at some point, and we'll leave it in the description
Maybe
box
because
for you.
it's Saturday today, I'm not sure. If you think the other Buddha was big, check this one out, because this is like 10 times as big as that one.
Yeah, it's probably 150 to 200 feet high, which is absolutely enormous.
It's stunning, like it is so beautiful.
And it's called Wat Rong Khun.
So I think this is the one we were actually trying to look for.
And it's probably only 10 or 12 kilometres outside of the centre of Chiang Mai.
It's crazy.
So well worth a visit. Little windy roads to get here. We found it. It's amazing.
Some interesting roads that the sat-nav tried to take us up that I definitely would not class as a road.
So we're going to go up the hill and have a look. There's a temple up there as well. There's a lot of tourists, public transport and buses here. So it's easily accessible. Come and give it a try. Not sure if the Thai painters have ever heard of masking tape. So being in the temple, it's absolutely amazing.
It's beautiful.
It's so white.
So white and clean, and all the marble on the sides, like little silver tiles. It is just pristine, incredible.
Now we've come, expected to have to pay. It's free. There's also a bus, which we're in, a Hello Kitty bus.
That we believe takes you up to the Buddha, so you don't have to walk. Or is a bonus in my eyes.
We think that's for free as well.
Yeah.
We'll let you know.
So far. We are stood under the big Buddha now. We've come up on the little Hello Kitty bus. It's like a 2-minute journey, but so saves doing that.
A little electric car, free as well to get up to the Buddha. And surprisingly, you can actually go inside the Buddha, up to its head, on an elevator. It's 40 baht for the elevator. I don't know if you can walk up the steps for free, but I think we're going to pay to go up anyway.
Yes, I want to see from the top.
Well worth checking out.
This is magnificent.
It's amazing.
Like, I thought the inside of the temple was carved beautiful, but this is something else. Like, it's full of like sparkly gems and like diamond bits and colours and oh wow.
25 floors up, I think in the head of the Buddha.
Yeah.
It is as far as you can go. It's amazing.
I think you can walk up one more level, maybe.
Yeah, we're going to have a look, and it's 40 baht person for the lift, which is absolutely well worth it.
Oh God, yeah. Definitely pay it. It is just beautiful. I'm so glad we did this. Brilliant.
Well worth the visit.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it.
Definitely.
If you're in Chiang Rai.
So we've just come back down from the Buddha and it is well worth the 40 baht. The views are spectacular. So when you look at the Buddha, the eyes are the bits you can see out of, and I don't know what it's technically called, but the dot on its head is you can see out of there, and that's the viewpoint. It's spectacular. We went past the no entry sign up a little bit further into its crown, so technically not supposed to be up there, but you can't see out from there anyway, and there was a police officer sat there shooing him back down. It's an Angry Birds one, so it is better. Hey, pretty lady.
Pretty lady chosen by me. So, temple's amazing.
So worth a visit, would definitely recommend it.
Absolutely free, so there's 3 temples, including the Buddha. They're all free. It's free parking, it's free water, it's free toilets.
The only cost is the 40 baht each to go up the lift in the Buddha, which if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's still just as beautiful from the outside, but the view is really good from the top.
We think it's worth it.
For the £2,
absolutely, 40 baht each, well worth checking out.
Yeah. We're going to have a little change of plan to what we said originally. There's some sort of wet stuff coming out of the sky that I'm not really used to.
It's raining.
Yeah, so instead of going to the waterfall, we're going to head straight to the White Temple, which is about 15 kilometres from here, because I really don't want to miss that.
But first of all, we need to find some fuel, because we have none. Hey guys, so we are at Wat Rong Khun,
Which is more commonly known as the White Temple.
Yeah, it's a temple and it's white.
Actually, it's a privately owned like art exhibition, I guess.
No, not strictly a temple in the temple-y term. They only opened it to visitors in 1997.
But after looking at the clock tower in the centre of Chiang Rai, you can see
a similarity in their design.
Definitely, it's really intricate. Lots of like points and wavy bits to it. It's quite pretty. And the temple sparkles in the sunshine.
Points and wavy bits?
Yeah.
It's quite white, dazzles in the sun. There's another couple of temples around it. We're going to have a look and check them out.
Yeah. So it's a massive complex. It's so much bigger than I thought it was from just that outset. Seems to be free so far as well. I think that'll carry on. But all these little like trees and the roofy bits are all made from these beautiful little silver cutouts. Which I imagine if there was a breeze it would sound beautiful.
So in this little pagoda is a wishing well.
Yeah.
We've just flipped a coin in and made a wish.
Yes.
And
hopefully
there's about
come true.
There is about 1 million baht in coins.
Yeah. I've also just noticed that, do you know the little dangly hearts on all these trees, there's some big ones. Buy those for 30 baht and write a message on them as well, which is a really nice idea. So behind us is the main bit of the White Temple, which is, I'm guessing, the White Temple.
We just thought it was a small temple.
Yeah.
It's like a really big temple complex with lots of buildings and the poshest, most luxurious toilets.
No, the cleanest toilets. Yeah, so clean, and toilet roll. Always positive. To go in the main temple it is 50 baht each. We're not going to bother today because we think we've seen enough twirly whirly white bits, but it looks really beautiful if you want to pay to go in.
So you get into the complex for free, you can walk around most of the buildings for free, and the only bit you have to pay for is 50 bahts for foreigners and free for Thai people. You can see it all from outside, it's behind us. Probably not a lot to see, but for 50 baht, why not? Yeah. We've got time to go and see the waterfall.
Which makes Lee very happy.
Which makes Lee happy. We've seen it from the outside, we're going to run away quickly to the waterfall. So we're lucky enough to be invited inside at the workshop.
Yeah, we've parked in like a side car park and kind of stuck our heads in and they said, come and have a look. I'm not entirely sure if they're repairing or if they're making new bits or a bit of both, but there's like so many extra bits.
Restoring things and it's amazing. I've gone and had a quick look around. Some real craftsmen doing some work. Looks amazing.
Yeah, really like patient and detailed and putting the mirrors on and redoing the clay. We hope you've enjoyed watching our adventures today. Unfortunately we didn't make it to the waterfall because we ran out of time.
So the waterfall closes at 4:30 and it's about 15 kilometres away, so we're not going to have time to go there.
No.
And I think we're off to Laos tomorrow, maybe not, maybe stay another night in Chiang Rai because there's so much to do.
Yeah, there's a lot more to do than I anticipated actually. I thought it was going to be like a day or so and maybe be bored, but it's not, there's loads to do.
But if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, give us a like.
Hit the little bell icon so you get notified when we do some more videos.
And any comments or information you need, leave a comment in the description box below.
And we'll see you soon.
See you next video. Bye.